Today's lesson is on the Pythagorean Theorem. This is an introductory geometry lesson. The right triangle has a defining feature of a 90-degree angle. A key term for this lesson is hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle on a triangle. The formula that is used in the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this image, C is the hypotenuse and A and B are the legs. Now we will practice using the Pythagorean theorem with this example. In this example, the values for A and B are given. So we will fill those into the formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We get 4 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared by filling in the values for the variables. Now we will solve for 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared and get 16 plus 9 equals c squared. C squared stays the same because the value for c is missing. Now we add 16 plus 9 and get 25. To solve for c, we must take the square root of both sides. Finally, we get c equals 5. At this point, we have successfully solved for the hypotenuse using the Pythagorean theorem. In this next example, the values for A and B are given and C is missing. Again, we will use the Pythagorean theorem formula, which is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The next step is to fill in the values for the variables. Now we have 6.5 squared plus 2.3 squared equals c squared. We solve for those values and get 42.25 plus 5.29 equals c squared. Now we add and get 47.54 equals c squared. We take the square root of both sides and we get c equals 6.89 by rounding. This slide is an overview of the Pythagorean theorem and what I went over in this lesson. We have the formula, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and an image of a right triangle that is labeled. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of your day.